Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Muiz Quranic, where we are learning the Quran from zero step by step with Tajweed and perfect and beautiful pronunciation. Alhamdulillah, in our previous lesson we learned about the letter of lead. Today we are going to start a very important topic, the lesson of Sukoon, Jazam. When you see a Sukoon, don't Jazam, don't put extra sound or stretch the letter. Read it smoothly, join it with the letter before and stop softly. You can think of Sukoon as a silent pause inside the word. It helps the recitation flow beautifully. Don't worry if it feels a little difficult at first. It takes some practice. Just keep repeating the example slowly and clearly. Remember, every small step brings you closer to reading the Quran perfectly the way it was revealed. Now, what is Jazam? As you have already learned, this sign is called Sukoon Jazam. A letter which has a Sukoon Jazam on it is called Sakina. Silent letters, a silent letter. The letter which has a Sukoon is pronounced with the muttahirika letter coming before it. Always pronounce Hamza Sakina with sudden pause. There are 5 letters of Qalqala like Dal, Jim, Ba, Tha, Qaf. Their combination is Qutubu Jaddin like. The meaning of Qalqala is movement. There should be some movement in the makhraj, exacting points when pronouncing these letters such that the sound echoes. When the letter of Qalqala or Sakina, Qalqala should be more clear. In this lesson, take special care in correctly pronouncing the letter of Qalqala and Hamza Sakina, distinguishing clearly between the letters that sound somewhat similar. I hope you are understanding what I read this. Now we are going to our lesson. Please repeat after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif ta zabar at, alif ta zer it, alif ta pesh ut, at, it, ut, alif ta zabar at, alif ta zer it, alif ta pesh ut, at, it, ut. You see, I do a Qalqala like at, it, ut. I stop the word like they are there. Where yeah, this is the meaning of Qalqala is moving. There should be some movement in the makhraj exact point when pronouncing these letters that such echoes like at. The echo is coming from my mouth. At, it, ut. Now, alif za zabar az, alif za zer is, alif za pesh uz, az, is, uz. You hear the echo is coming from my mouth. It is naturally. Alif da zabar ad, alif da zer is, alif da pesh uz, az, is, uz. Alif za zabar az, alif za zer is, alif za pesh uz, az, is, uz. Alif tha zabar ath, alif tha zer is, alif tha pesh uth, ath, is, uth. Alif sin zabar as, alif sin zer is, alif sin pesh us, as, is, us. Alif sad zabar as, alif sad zer is, alif sad pesh us, as, is, us. Alif dal zabar ad, alif dal zer id, alif dal pesh ud, ad, id, ud. Alif gha zabar az, alif gha zer iz, alif gha pesh uz, az, is, uz. I hope you are repeating after me. Alif ka zabar ak, alif ka zer ik, alif ka pesh uk, ak, ik, uk. Alif qa zabar ak, alif qa zer ik, alif qa pesh uk, ak, ik, uk. Alif ha zabar ah, alif ha zer ih, alif ha pesh uh, ah, ih, uh. Alif ha zabar ah, alif ha zer ih, alif ha pesh uh, ah, ih, uh. Now you hear the echo is coming from my mouth with gently and beautifully. Hamza hamza zabar a, hamza hamza zer i, hamza hamza pesh u, a, i, u. Alif ain zabar a, alif ain zer i, alif ain pesh u, a, i, u. Now this is your test. Please tell me this voice like a. Where did the voice is come? Please tell me in the comments. Alif kha zabar akh, alif kha zer ikh, alif kha pesh ukh, akh, ikh, ukh. Alif ghain zabar agh, alif ghain zer igh, alif ghain pesh ugh, agh, igh, ugh. Alif ba zabar ab, alif ba zer ib, alif ba pesh ub, ab, ib, ub. Alif mim zabar am, alif mim zer im, alif mim pesh am, im, Alif waw zabar aw, alif waw pesh u, aw, u. Zer is not used before waw sakina. Alif fa zabar af, alif fa zer if, alif fa pesh uf, af, if, uf. Alif lam zabar al, alif lam zer il, alif lam pesh ul, al, il, ul. Alif nun zabar an, alif nun zer in, alif nun pesh un, an, in, un. Alif ra zabar ar, alif ra zer ir, alif ra pesh ur, ar, ir, ur. Alif jim zabar aj, alif jim zer ij, alif jim pesh uj, aj, ij, uj. Alif shin zabar ash, alif sin zer ish, alif shin pesh ush, ash, ish, ush. Alif ya zabar ay, alif ya zer i, ay, e. Now this is our exercise. I read without any spell of sakina and dama. Qul, in, an, man, bal, lam, kum, hum, dhuq, qad, istabir, mustaqar, faghfir, aynu, a'yun, a'naban, zajratun, nutfatin, mudhinuna, abwaban, fafruq. Okay, now this is the letters. This is the part of this. Yes. Now repeat after me. I repeat without any dama and like skina. So please repeat after me. Yuqriz, yughni, tajri, jam'a. This is the waqf. This is the next lesson. Like coming up. Jam'an, fathun, mu'minina, مؤمنون يؤمنون مؤصدة اقرأ شأن كأسا بئس يشأ نشأ إثم يبحث أحيا أخرى اذهب أشدد. Now this is the I read like ushdud dud. This is the qalqala. Irqab irqab hushirat nushirat ahzarat qusimat furijat nusifat yuglamuna yaghharu isbir bainakum bainahum فغلق عليهم أعمالهم أعمالكم أيديهم يستفتحون. I hope you are understanding me and enjoying this lesson and this series also. We have completed our lesson on Sukoon Jazam. Inshallah, in the next video we will continue to learn more rules and make our Tajweed strong and recitation more beautiful. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friend and family. Let's keep learning and connecting our heart with the book of Allah. And please again repeat this lesson and revise them. Barakallahu feekum. See you in the next lesson.